Guys, you're welcome once more to Just the Chat. On today's video, I'll be explaining how you can use moving average and get the best out of it, how you can combine it to strategy and make the best out of it, what not to do with moving average, what moving average is not. Okay, so before I get to that, I would love to explain to you how indicators are formed. Indicators reflect what is happening to a particular market over a given period of time. They reflect what is happening to the same piece of information on a different times, okay, over different times. Now let's say you are on a 5 minutes time frame and you imputed a 10 period moving average on your chart. It simply means that you are summing up the closing price of the last 50 minutes, that is 5 minutes times 10 period moving average, and dividing it by 10, that gives you the average. Okay, let's say you switch to our one chart with the same 10 period moving average on your chart. It simply means that you are summing up the closing price of the last 10 hours, that is 1 hour times 10, that gives you the average. Okay, so moving average is one of the most used technical indicator. I use it as well. It's one indicator I used, but I use just one moving average that I will explain it at the end of this video. Okay, so there are basically, or let's say there are usually four types of moving average. We have the simple moving average, we have the exponential moving average or MA, we have the linear moving average or MA, then we have the smooth moving average. Among this moving average, someone may be asking me what is the best among them, or which moving average should I use? That since we have seen that there are different types, so which should I use? Okay, the secret is that there's something you should know. The moving average you should use is the moving average that is close to price, the moving average that is close to price, and that is the EMA. The exponential moving average is the best moving average to use. The exponential moving average, I've done research on them, I've used it, I've tried almost all of them just to get the best out of them. The best to use among the type of moving average is the EMA, the exponential moving average. According to theory, it is one of the best you can get out there. And when you use it, they are very accurate because why? They move close to price. Okay, so they don't lag. To know indicators that are very accurate and good, you should just test them on lower time frames to see how they are lagging. I don't use indicator because I feel they are lagging. I've tested them, then I'm a pure price action trader, but I use moving average as one of my indicators. Okay, so you may want to know, you may be like, okay, so what is the best moving average to use? Is it the 20? Is it the 10? Is it the 15? Is it the 200? Is it the 350? Is it the you may just, okay, what is the best? The truth is that there's no such word as best moving average. There's no such word as best moving average. Are you seeing this picture here? Are you seeing this? Are you currently seeing this picture? There are three moving average currently on my screen now. uh I currently see some of them are dark. The one upward is actually blue. Okay, so the blue one here is the 50 period moving average. This one is a 20 period moving average, and this is a 10 moving average. Are you seeing that the higher the number, the further they get in the chart? If I put a 200 moving average now, it will go above this point. So the closer, if you put a 5 moving average, it will be more tighter to the price than the way it is on this 10 moving average. Okay, you get it. So the bigger the moving average, the more space they give the price. As you can see, this three moving average I have plotted on the chart. On the chart, you find out that this chart, so let's say if price goes down, you see, let's see from if price goes down, you see it comes back, it touches it and come down, goes up, comes down, it goes up, touches it, come down, touches it, and what, it drags down. You get it? So let's say if I want to take a trade, I will wait for the price to get to this moving average, then take it, wait for it to get to the moving average, then take it, all the same thing here. So if it's on a buy trend, I will do the same thing. If it's on a buy trend, I'll just wait for the market to trend. And one thing you should know is I use moving average on what? On a trending market. On a trending market. I think I wait for it to go up, come down, take it, come down, take it, wait for it to touch, then take it, then wait for it to touch, then take it. Then now the most important thing you must know about moving average is that one, moving average does not work always. Stick this to your head. Moving average does not work always. It only works on a what? On a trending market. not sideways, not a market. Let's see, for example, let's look for, I mean, what I mean sideways, a market that is trendy. You can't use moving average on that, on such market. If a market is trendy, you won't get the best out of moving average. In this market, I think it is trendy, you are getting the best. But if ranging, you won't get the best. If it is consolidating, you may not get the best out of moving average. So the best time to use moving average is when the market is trending. Are you seeing how the market, it drags above here, telling us that the buy is about to start? Then as you see, it drags down. It was unable to close below this moving average, the higher one, the bigger one, which is the 15 minute moving average, and then it bounces up again, touches it, bounce. Are you seeing it in a move in a trending market? But let us check this moving average in the consolidation market. Are you seeing how the market was consolidated here? There was no actual movement you would do, there was no actual direction we can get from this moving average. And secondly, the second thing you must note about moving average is that using only moving average in your chart is not reliable. No, no, no. Don't use only moving average on your chart. You must use it with other oscillator, other indicators, like there are different type of indicators out there, but I don't want to mention them. You should know them. But the only one I use is moving average. So you can use it, if you are a moving average, if you are an indicator trader, can combine it with other moving average. You can use it for confirmation. As for me, I use it for confirmation, and I use just one moving average. Let me add the moving average I use. Okay, let me take out these ones and add the moving average I use. Remove, let me take out everything and add the moving average I use. I use the 200 moving average. Let me add it and explain how I use it. Back, this is 200. Let's get it to the chart. You see that's giving this chart a very, very far distance. I use the two moving average for what? I use it to indicate the trend. I use it for trend indication. I'm a day trader. I'm a more of a day trader. I don't scalp. I'm not a scalper. I'm more of a day trader. Then I do some little swing, but I'm more of day trading. So the 200 moving average gives me uh the direction of the market. First of all, that's what it gives me. It gives me, okay, this is the price. If the price is clearly below the 200 moving average, it is telling me that I should be looking for what sell opportunities. Then I have other things I add according to my strategy to know if the market is truly selling. So it is just a what just give me like a confluence trade. It gives me more confidence that, okay, this is what the market is doing according to other things I've added to the chart. So moving average is very, very good. You can use it on your chart. And notice, the higher the number of the moving average, the more distance it gives the chart, the more distance it gives your price. Okay, so understand moving average and get the best out of it. Don't use only moving average and think you're going to get the best result out of it. No, 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 no. Add it to other indicators, add it to your strategy you are using, and make it confluence and get the best out of your trade. So if you are new to my channel, please, if this information is useful to you, don't forget to hit the subscribe button now and turn on the notification bell for more useful video, more useful tips will be coming out on how we teach you. I'll be giving you very, very important information on trading as a forex trader, a stock trader, and a crypto trader. Okay, so click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell and join my signal. If you want to get any signal analysis, I have a free signal. Join it on the description of this video. So for now.